10 mind-blowing vehicles you will want to ride. Money doesn't fall from the sky. You have to work for it and in the process be able to afford these mind-blowing vehicles with underlying technology. Riding in these amazing automobiles would leave wanting to make more money to afford such luxury. Before we proceed, please subscribe, turn on the notifications and make sure you watch this video to the end and you will get to see 10 mind-blowing vehicles you will want to ride. Aptera Series 2 Motors. Aptera 2 Series Motors is a car literally driven by the sun, and is capable of up to 0-60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Aptera is the most efficient solar electric vehicle that requires no charging for most daily use, giving you the freedom to do more with less impact on the planet. We're doing the impossible, something no other automakers have been brave enough to do. We're harnessing the power of the sun to make life off the grid a reality for everyone. Aptera was created from the ground up with one purpose in mind: energy efficiency. Our unique shape allows Aptera to slip through the air using 30% of the energy compared to other electric and hybrid vehicles on the road today. Aptera is redefining the ways vehicles are designed and built. We've taken a pivotal leap forward with 3D printing, AI, and a composite body allowing for rapid, high-volume and cost-efficient vehicle production. Inspired by fighter jets and race cars, Aptera protects you and your loved ones with a safety cell that is much stronger than steel. Whether commuting to work or camping off the grid, your options are limitless with Aptera. Each vehicle can generate enough solar energy for up to about 40 miles of free daily driving, and up to 1,000 miles of range when fully charged. Rimac C2 Nevera Hypercar 2.0. Capable of exceptional speeds, swift and powerful beyond comprehension. Like the mighty storm system from which it takes its name, Nevera is a force like no other. Designed, engineered, and handcrafted in Croatia, defined by function and forged from a love for automotive, Nevera was born to outperform. Why Nevera? Nevera is the name given to a quick, sudden, and mighty Mediterranean storm that races across the open sea off Croatia. A Nevera is extremely powerful and charged by lightning. Striking with exceptional speed and severity, our new generation of hypercar proudly carries the name, but also the characteristics of this unique meteorological force of nature. The car comes with extraordinary technology and exceptional engineering. Precision engineering that pushes performance to the edge of possibility and beyond. Introducing the technology that makes Nevera. Electric is Genesis. Pioneered by Croatian engineer and futurist Nikola Tesla, electric is one of the earliest and most effective forms of power. By specializing exclusively in electric performance, Rimac is able to engineer and extract the most extreme performance from our hypercars. Nevera comes with 4 motors, 4 wheels. Each of Nevera's wheels are independently driven by one dedicated electric motor, which channels torque accordingly to give unprecedented control and agility. Our AWTV Rimac's intelligent all-wheel torque vectoring system brings power where you need it, instantly. Nevera calculates the amount of torque deployed to each wheel over 100 times a second to achieve the desired driving dynamic through Rimac's intelligent all-wheel torque vectoring system, RAWTV. Stability, safety, efficiency and ultimate agility when you need it most. Monocoque core delivers core strength and a solid structure. Beneath the skin lies a carbon fiber monocoque with bonded carbon roof, integrated structural battery pack and rear carbon subframe. Designed and developed entirely in-house, Nevera's structural core is lightweight, powerful and exceptionally strong. Rimac ensures unparalleled performance meets real-time intelligence for an exceptional driving experience. The design is defined by purpose and performance. Nevera's bold but functional form is entirely original yet unmistakably Rimac. From bytes to bolts, Rimac's expert engineers find and develop the very best materials to craft everything from powertrain components to composites, and in-car controls. All designed and created in our headquarters in Croatia, our cars are handcrafted to perform far beyond expectations. Vonmercier Arosa. Vonmercier blends cutting-edge hovercraft and electric vehicle innovation with luxury, high-performance technology. The result is the world's first luxury sports hovercraft. The Arosa Sports Hovercraft is an amphibious vehicle that can travel over land, water, and a variety of terrain in between. It does this by traveling on a cushion of air and essentially flying right above the surface. The air cushion is suspended inside a flexible reinforced fabric skirt which helps compensate for changes in terrain, and gives clearance for obstacles. With Vonmercier Arosa you can hover on land. Hovering gives a new meaning to off-road capability. Grass, gravel, pavement, whatever you prefer. You can also hover on water. Air cushion hovering allows you to seamlessly transition from land to water. Explore and play in the shallows and the deep. Discover that hidden cove. Slip effortlessly ashore for a day on the beach or a sip from the bar. The Arosa is the most maneuverable personal hovercraft in the world. The innovative, patented directional control system enables advanced maneuverability in the forward, lateral and reverse directions, so you can stop and go with ease. Intuitive pilot inputs make flying the hovercraft easy to learn and enjoy. It has a futuristic yet classic design. The low-profile body, aggressive front end, and powerful side thrust intakes make the Arosa the first truly modern hovercraft design. Marine features, such as side decks and an open cockpit, blend with automotive supercar inspiration to embody the versatility and function of this luxury sports hovercraft. At a glance you can sense that Arosa is ready for action. A high-voltage battery pack provides power to 3 independent electric motors at the powertrain. The motors enable fine-tuned controlled thrust and steady lift. The battery pack can apply boosts of power to the motors for quick performance in acceleration and maneuvering. The electric powertrain also greatly reduces noise and pollution levels. High-end materials, such as carbon fiber and metal alloys, enhance the state-of-the-art of the Arosa. Material selection is balanced with smart manufacturing techniques to keep costs down. The Arosa Sports Hovercraft embodies construction techniques from the automotive, marine, and aerospace industries. Tandem sport seating provides a comfortable, balanced ride inside the open-air cabin. Side decks provide additional seating for more passengers. Lower hull decks make it easier to board from the water, and top decks allow for easy entry from a dock. Recessed side steps make it possible to enter and exit from dry land. Apple Car. Apple has finished restructuring its Project Titan car team, and may reassemble its electric vehicle project as soon as this year. Apple hasn't given up on its Project Titan dreams to build a premium electric car. Apple has restructured the Apple Car division, as its alleged ambitions now are to task various suppliers with developing the components and assembling the chassis. Rather than partner with an established automaker, this is much the same approach Apple applies to its outsourced iPhone production, developing parts directly with suppliers and tasking the assembly to Foxconn. That has proven to bring the highest profit margins, as Apple doesn't have to maintain cumbersome manufacturing capacity. Despite the excitement, Apple does not envision the Apple Car Project Titan to be ready with a tangible vehicle before 2025. Apple will be a fully featured self-driving electric vehicle that will compete with Tesla and other EVs. Apple could partner with other popular manufacturers. There is a high-powered Apple-designed chip in the Apple Car, and it is the most advanced component that Apple has developed to date. It's made from neural processors that can handle the incredible AI load needed for an autonomous vehicles. TSMC is expected to manufacture the chip, and that's the same company that makes chips for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Apple's use of sleek lines in other products could be reused in the Apple Car, as well as wide swinging doors that eliminate the need for a permanent center door pillar, making openings even larger. Proposals include the use of AR and VR technology, in-screen displays, privacy lighting, and unique sunroof designs, among other suggestions. Hyundai has confirmed that Apple has approached it and other companies about producing the Apple Car. Such advanced talks are normal and indicate Apple is ready to begin production in the coming months. The same report indicates that despite starting production, the car will not be ready to launch for years yet, 2024 at the earliest. The Apple Car has been described as Apple's next star product, with Apple able to offer better integration of hardware, software and services than potential competitors in the automotive market. The Apple Car is likely to be marketed as a very high-end model or significantly higher than a standard electric vehicle. Apple CEO Tim Cook was quoted saying publicly in June 2017, quote unquote, "We're focusing on autonomous systems. It's a core technology that we view as very important. We sort of see it as the mother of all AI projects. It's probably one of the most difficult AI projects actually to work on." End of quote. MoJet Board. Fast and agile up to 65 km per hour. Boasting speeds of up to 65 km per hour, MoJet is sure to offer some of the most fun you've ever had on the water. At the same time, it's also highly maneuverable, meaning you'll be able to make sharp turns and change directions on a dime like a natural. The power of MoJet's motor will always give you all the challenge you need when riding at top speed or carving your way through waves. Powerful 11 kilowatts of output. MoJet packs all its performance into a compact drive system that's one of the most powerful in its industry. Its 11 kilowatt jet motor can provide an impressive 116 kilograms of thrust, enough to move up to 140 kilograms across the water. You can also pull others along on a banana boat, wakeboard, or in a tube. Modular and variable. One drive system, 5 different boards. With MoJet, you don't have to choose just one board. Attaching one of the 5 available nose modules to the jet is a quick and easy process that gives you maximum flexibility at all times. In addition, MoJet's swappable batteries mean you'll always have enough juice for one more ride. Light and compact. No components longer than 95 centimeters or heavier than 17 kilograms. Transporting MoJet's modules is easy because none of them weigh more than 17 kilograms. Unlike plenty of other jet boards out there, their dimensions have also been designed to take up minimal space and fit into the smallest luggage compartments. In other words, MoJet adapts to your needs even when you're on land. Yamaha Niken GT. Niken GT offers intense feelings of front-end grip with outstanding handling. The Niken inspires confidence in every rider. And its ability to carve efficiently through the most challenging corners has to be experienced to be believed. Now Yamaha are taking this daring new concept into new territory with the Niken GT. Featuring increased weather protection from the higher screen, together with a comfort seat, side cases, heated grips and more, this cutting-edge sport tourer gives you the ability to master the most challenging road conditions and stay comfortable in adverse weather. Corner carving, touring or weekends away, this new generation sport tourer gives you premium comfort, with class-leading control and maximum enjoyment, whatever the season. The hot take. Yamaha Niken GT packs. Most innovative design in the sport touring class. Unrivaled corner carving experience. All-season, high-specification sport tourer. Feelings of front-end grip, confidence and braking. Radical, bold and unique 3-wheel design. Advanced leaning multi-wheel technology. Deep lean angle, maximum 45 degrees. Ackerman steering, double upside-down front forks. Fully adjustable rear suspension. 847 cubic centimeters, 3-cylinder, liquid-cooled, DOC CP3 engine. TCS, QSS, A and S clutch, D mode, cruise control. Hybrid steel and aluminium frame. 2 color options, Phantom Blue and Nimbus Grey. For high levels of comfort, control and enjoyment, the Niken GT features a high screen, as well as heated grips and a luxury comfort seat. Side cases and a rear carrier base give plenty of luggage potential, and, for added functionality, the GT comes equipped with a main stand and 2 12V outlets. Kuberg Ranger. Kuberg Ranger is one-of-a-kind riding experience. Scooter or dirt bike? You decide. The brand new Ranger from Kuberg. Sporting a unique standing position, a fully reclining seat, unbeatable power, and unmatched riding versatility. Kuberg Ranger conquers any obstacle, jump, or mountain. This bike is built for any rider of any skill level. The center of gravity feels natural to give you the confidence to shred on any terrain no matter your skill level. The bike comes with reclining seat. Their pneumatic seat rises by the press of a button to your preferred seat height. Kuberg Ranger packs a one-of-a-kind controller. Our BLDC controller is the brain behind the brawn. It translates battery power to immense riding power in seconds. With over 4 years of development behind it, it's nothing short of perfect. The hot takes. Super lightweight. Ride anywhere. Just pick it up and go. Whatever the situation. It's that light. Super silent. Never ruin anyone's day again. The loudest component is the sprocket. Instant torque. From thick mud to smooth tracks, ride any terrain, anywhere. The Ranger's huge torque will always have you conquering any obstacle. The Ranger doesn't just play hard. It also works hard. From commuting to heavy lifting, it's a workhorse, suitable for all of your needs. Its versatile heavy-duty construction allowing you to attach anything you may need for your adventures. Flatbed, side rails, front rails, fixing loops, all is there. With a maximum load capacity of 66 pounds 30 kgs, EC 400. Discover the power of electric with the EQC. Introducing the EQC. A 4x4 that's 100% electric, yet unmistakably Mercedes-Benz. With its surprising range and innovative driver assistance features, combined with extensive charging points across the UK, it represents a whole new way to drive electric. EQC 400 packs an MBUX infotainment system. With a "Hey Mercedes" or a touch of the high-resolution widescreen display, you can access the car's features, making it easy to choose a playlist or select a destination to navigate to. Over time, MBUX will even offer suggestions based on your habits. Has powerful design, inside and out. The EQC is the future of electric driving. And with it comes a unique new design style for Mercedes-Benz. The arresting black panel radiator grille, the eye-catching LED wraparound band at the front and rear, and the seamless widescreen display all combine to create a modern, sleek and distinctive-looking car that leaves a lasting impression. When it comes to safety, Mercedes takes it a notch higher with EC 400 wherever your journey takes you. The advanced driver assistance systems in the EQC make for a more comfortable and safer driving experience. In an emergency, they automatically react to help you avoid road dangers, and at night, the multi-beam headlights adapt to their surroundings and oncoming cars without you even lifting a finger. Parking like a pro is effortless too. The EQC's cameras give you a 360 degrees view, so you can maneuver into any space. EC 400 also packs an intelligent energy management. This helps in reducing consumption at every step. Consumption and actual electric range depend on the individual user, driving style, vehicle speed, route profile, environmental conditions, outside temperature, as well as the use of auxiliary systems such as air conditioning or heated seats. To help you maximize the electric driving range and increase driving efficiency, the engineers at Mercedes-Benz have developed different driving and recuperations modes. Hot take. You'll be surprised how electric can work for you. And there's no better car to experience it in than the EQC. Engine noise is a thing of the past, acceleration is exhilaratingly fast and smooth, and charging is effortless. And that's just the start of the benefits. Campaigna T-Rex RR. The world's finest three-wheeled side-by-side vehicles. Since 1988, our T-Rex and V13 are continued to be different from anything else on the road. Our exotic three-wheelers offer a unique experience and an amazing ride, grabbing attention everywhere they go, and delivering it all in a safe and exciting way. Powered by the inline four-cylinder 1,441 cubic centimeters engine from Kawasaki, the T-Rex RR has all the power to give you a race ride type of experience. It delivers a low RPM torque for smooth or brisk accelerations. This makes the T-Rex RR a beast on the road and on the track. T-Rex RR is lean and muscular. With its unique tension-inspiring muscular lines, the T-Rex RR has a new look to emphasize its racing origin. A new face and a new tail give it a more edgy style, more modern and more incisive. The new traction control on the T-Rex RR gives you 3 options covering the different driving conditions. Smooth for wet surface, sport for more aggressive driving, and off for total pilot control. Constant road feedback, surgical handling, and a responsive suspension make riding a T-Rex a pure pleasure. Electronic command of the engine gives you control on the behavior of the vehicle in any situation. Ergonomics and comfort are of primary concern in the T-Rex RR design objectives. No compromise between everyday driving and track mode. The unique lean driving position, joined with an adjustable suspension, makes you ONE with your T-Rex. The driving position is improved with a wider chassis, giving the pilot more legroom and better throttle control. The T-Rex RR comes standard with Campaigna's Stage 5 fully adjustable suspension, with an external oil reservoir. This setup lets you customize your suspension settings for all sorts of road, track conditions and different loads. You can maximize handling and chassis behavior under different conditions and according to your preferences. Because of its chassis design, low center of gravity, suspension, and weight distribution, the T-Rex RR can take up to 1.3 G lateral acceleration in a curve. The T-Rex mufflers produce an exotic sports car sound. The 4x2 manifold configuration with integrated catalytic converters ensure the greenest T-Rex RR yet. The exhaust system meets USA and Canada environmental standards for noise and pollution, EPA and ARB of California. The T-Rex RR comes standard with a racing D-shaped Sparco TM suede steering wheel for consistent grip. A short ratio rack and pinion offers instant reaction to steering input. The newly designed tubular steel frame acts as a solid roll cage and a rigid frame to protect you and your passenger. Standard with 3-point safety belts for on-road use, the T-Rex RR chassis has mounting points ready to accept a 4-point race harness for your track days. The T-Rex RR is available with performance braking power provided by its vented, slotted and cross-drilled disc brakes on all wheels. To maintain braking power under track condition, the T-Rex RR has rigid and braided stainless steel brake lines. Red Willwood 4-piston calipers complete this performance brake package. Segways X2 SE. The Segway X2 SE is the perfect personal transportation device for any outdoor work environment. Start saving your company time and money today. Segways X2 SE packs 20 km/h maximum speed, 12.4 miles per hour. 19 km range, 12 miles. Multi-terrain mobility. Easy to ride. Dual battery. Weight load 117 kilograms, 257 pounds. The vehicle comes with cargo handles. Oversized cargo handles make for easy lifting and provide mounting points for accessories. Rugged tires. Deep tread, ATV-style tires transverse most all sorts of terrain confidently get where you're going. It has wide base platform. From construction sites to wide open farmlands, the Segway X2 SE is the perfect personal transportation device for any outdoor work environment, for rider comfort. Conclusion. Those are the 10 mind-blowing vehicles you will want to ride. If you have a suggestion of concept cars or any insane cars you would us love to feature in the next video, please leave us a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay rich out there. And see you soon.